Hello friends, I am going to unbox this Wipro smart bulb, which is a 9 watt smart bulb. Let's open the box and see. And this is the bulb, Wipro Garnet smart bulb. Let's open the seal and check. And inside the box we are getting only the bulb and some instruction manual, and this holder is present in every Indian homes who use LED bulbs or bulb light. Now I have connected the bulb in the bulb holder and the bulb is switched on, and now it is only showing white color light. So finally we have connected the bulb and the app is also opened, and you can see we can change the color as we want, and it is very easy to change the colors. And you can see there are a lot of colors, and you can customize the color as you want, and you can also change the brightness. And this light is very useful. You can also keep the light by white tone and yellow tone, and also change the color to 16 million colors in RGB mode. The light is fully yellow now. Now I am going to make it fully white. You can also dim the lights by using the app. You can also switch off the light by this power off button. So thanks for watching the video. Anything to ask in the comment section.